Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a tutorial on this red Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. We are starting this look off with, of course, my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking this shade right here and I'm putting that right into my crease as a transition shade. Then I'm going to be picking up this shade next and I'm putting it right under the original shade I just used, and I'm just blending that into my crease, kind of even higher above my natural crease to make my eyes appear larger than they actually are. Next, I am taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, my favorite palette ever, and I'm picking up this red shade, and I'm also putting this in the crease as well, and I'm using a smaller blending brush. I'm not doing a cut crease, but I want it to look like it's a cut crease, so I'm using a smaller blending brush, and I'm putting that right into my crease above my natural crease. I just said crease so many times. Going back into the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm taking this shade right here with the same blending brush, and I'm putting that in my crease as well to make it even redder and deepen it up even more. Now I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking my favorite shade from this palette. It is the second shade on the top row. I love this shade to make not a cut crease, because cut creases you really need concealer to make it sharp, but this shadow is so pigmented that you can even use this to make it look like a cut crease without even using any concealer. It's my favorite shade. It's super pigmented. I just love it. I wish they had like a single shade for that. And then I'm taking the white shade from the Modern Renaissance and I'm using that right underneath my brows. Then I'm taking this Smashbox liquid lipstick and I'm using a small liner brush, and I'm using this to create a wing liner. I didn't have any red gel liner, so I wanted to use, but I wanted a red liner anyways, so that is why I picked up a liquid lipstick. Then we're going to be moving on to face, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, and I'm putting that all over my face. I love this because it's purple, so it brightens up my face, but it also is a pore filler, and it makes my skin look so smooth, and that's what I love about it. And I'm just blending this in all over my face. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. This is the matte one, and I'm putting this all over my face, and I'm making some cute XOs and some hearts for Valentine's Day. And I know they came out with a new foundation. Let me know if you guys want me to review it. Now I'm taking some Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm using this to highlight and cover up any darkness underneath my eye. And I'm doing some XOs again for Valentine's Day, super cute. And I'm putting some concealer on the bridge of my nose and my forehead and my chin, and I'm using this to highlight and brighten up my face. And I'm going to be using the Beauty Blender again to blend everything in. Now I'm going in with this highlighter by Iconic London. I'm using it to contour, and I'm using this brush to blend it in, and then I'm going to be going over it with a beauty blender as well. This is my first time ever using this as a contour shade, and I actually am obsessed with it. It makes like the perfect gray tone. It makes it look like a complete shadow, and I absolutely love it for contouring. Next, I'm picking up another highlighter by Iconic London, and this is the original one, I believe, and I'm putting this on the high points of my cheeks and my forehead. I'm not sure of the shade of the other one I used. I will put it in the description box, but can we just talk about how nice my highlight looks? It looks so good. This is such a good highlighter. It looks exactly like the Ofra Rodeo Drive. I actually broke that and I had to throw it out. I have to order a new one because that's my favorite highlighter ever, but look how good this looks on my cheeks. It makes my whole contour look really good and really poppin'. I don't even know why I just said poppin'. I meant it makes it look like it's really like bam. Then I'm taking the new Revlon Photo Ready Canon setting powder, and I'm using that to set my under eyes and my entire face. Then I'm going to be taking the new Maybelline City Bronzer, and I'm using that to bronze up my face. You always want to use like some type of powder on top of a liquid, so because I did use a liquid contour, I'm going to be using a bronzer on top of that. Then I'm going to be taking this blush that I received in my BoxyCharm and by Laura Geller, and it's a really beautiful red blush, and I'm kind of going a little heavy on it because I want it to be very red to match my eyes. And for highlight, I'm going to be taking this Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I received this in my Makeup by Mario gift bag that when I attended his masterclass last year, and I completely forgot I even had it. So I'm using that to put on top of my liquid highlighter, and it just makes it even brighter. It just looks so good, my contour. Like, I'm really obsessed with how it came out. Then I'm going to be taking this white gel liner and I'm putting that in my waterline. It is by NYX. And then I'm taking the same Smashbox liquid liner and I'm doing the same thing I did for the wing liner, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to be putting all the shades that I used in my crease underneath my eyes as well. And I'm bringing it down very like thick because I want it to be super smoky. Then I'm taking this liquid highlighter from Iconic London, the same one I used on my cheeks, and I'm using that in my inner corner. It is makes my eyes look so bright and opens my eyes. I'm like loving this highlighter. I'm going to be using it all the time. Then for mascara, I'm taking by It Cosmetics the Superhero Mascara. And then for my lips, I'm using this lip liner by Lorac. It is a red lip liner. I will put the shade in the description box because I can't remember what it is. And then I'm going to be picking up this liquid lipstick. It's a sample one from Kat Von D. Again, I will put the shade in the description box. I think I received this for my 100 points from Sephora, or either from my Sephora Play subscription box when I used to use it. But yeah, I had so many samples and I wanted to start using it. And this is such a beautiful red, and it was so comfortable on the lips and super matte, but not too matte where it's uncomfortable. I really love the formula of this. I think I want to buy it in a full size, maybe more an everyday type of color. But yeah, I actually really like how it looked and how it lasted all day. So then I'm going to be taking these jewels and I'm putting two red ones underneath my eyes, but then I also removed them and I put two heart stickers underneath my eyes. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I was just playing, having a little fun. So I put two jewels underneath my eyes. I thought it looked pretty cute. And now I'm putting two red heart stickers underneath my eyes. You can either use one or the other, but I don't know. I was just playing around, seeing what I liked. But yeah, that's the end of this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!